Hi my friends, how are you doing today? Come, let me teach you how I made these jumbo size chicken nuggets. Yes, you heard me. Now, I went to the grocery store and I got some boneless, skinless chicken breast. That's the part of chicken you will use to make these chicken nuggets. Just so you know, chicken nugget, uh, pardon me. I was trying to tell you guys that chicken breast is expensive. Okay, it's expensive, so I just use half of what I showed you. So I shaved off my potato. I think I used about 2 or 3 of them. That would be enough for the quantity of chicken I used. Then I seasoned it. I put some garlic cloves, put some seasoning cubes, then put some onions and then some of my choice spices. So feel free to season it with your own seasoning. So basically what I did here was to season the chicken and the potato that I've put in there. So those are the main ingredients. So I added 2 fresh eggs in there. Take note of those are very, very key. And then half cup of flour. Okay, then what else did I now add? And I added oil. You can add melted butter or vegetable oil, but I used vegetable oil. So I went ahead and blended this. So I put it in my food processor. Okay, so I now process it very well, you see. So after the processing, so while this was going on, I had already prepared my air fryer. My air fryer is at one side. Okay, I've put in some kind of baking sheets, some cooking sheets. So I now scooped out some of the, see, so I now scooped the ones that are just by the side, and I felt it needed some more of processing. So I went ahead and give it about 2 pulls, 1, 2, and then I brought it out again. So by this time I was satisfied that this is okay. So I now started molding them. So I will show you what I did just in a short while. Wash your hands. If you have kitchen gloves, go ahead, but I like to use my hands. My fingers and everything kind of is still part of, help me to gauge the size, the fillings and everything. So I like to use my hands and I wash them thoroughly. Okay, so I now scooped out. I also bought, you see this coating mix is also seasoned. Okay, if you have breadcrumbs in your house, you can use that. But I already bought this coating mix. It's not expensive. I think it's about $3 from the grocery store. So that was what I used. So I just put my blended stuff, my processed, chicken and and the what I mean, all that I process. So I now use this to coat it, and so I just make a mold. That's what I did. That's all. So this was just to give you that rough finishing that chicken nuggets always come with. So this is what I did. I told you earlier on that I had already, put some baking sheets in my air fryer and all that. So after doing all that, I now put my molded fresh chicken nuggets in the air fryer. Okay, if you have oven, you can also work in oven. Okay, air fryer is mini oven. Okay, so either way, so I used my air fryer to make this recipe. Your oven is also good. And ta-da, this is what we came out with: jumbo size chicken nuggets. I tell you, this was way tastier than your store-bought chicken nuggets. And this is it. One with a cup of tea was filling. The camera is not doing it justice. Like, it was jumbo size. I was so impressed. My children used this for their breakfast. 2 each, and it was filling. I took 2 myself. It was really, really filling, to tell you the truth. So Try this, make your chicken nugget, give it your own kind of flavor. Those are some of the advantages. When you make it yourself, you give it your own flavor, okay? And it's easy peasy. So some of these things are not very, very difficult to mix. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. You will never miss any recipe. And tell me, what else do you want to see, and I will bring them for you. You see how filling it is, see how rich it is. So I decided to open one to show us. It was really filling, okay, and very yummy. Very yummy, I tell you. So my babies, they started taking, and they were so excited. They couldn't wait for me to finish this video, and they were like, Mommy, I'm hungry. Yeah, so they were having it with their cup of tea. So you can see the size, how full it is in their hands, jumbo size. They were so excited. So 2 with a cup of tea is good. Bye-bye.